In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count unique values in Excel 365 with UNIQUE and COUNTA. Open Excel from the Windows Start menu. Then open the sample workbook you already have. Once the workbook is open, look at the existing salesperson data in column A. This is the list Excel will use to find each distinct salesperson name. Click cell E1. Type Unique Salespeople as the column label, then press Enter. Now click cell E2. Type the UNIQUE formula shown on the screen, then press Enter. Excel spills the result downward from E2 through E6, showing 5 distinct salesperson names from the 15 rows above. Now move to the count. Click cell G1 in the same row as your first label. Type Unique, Counts, then press Enter. Click cell G2. Type equals COUNTA, open parenthesis, UNIQUE, open parenthesis, A2:A16, close parenthesis, press Enter. Cell G2 now shows 5, which is the total number of distinct salespeople in the data. Click cell G2 again so the formula bar shows the COUNTA formula. Now use your mouse to select the spilled range in column E from E2 through E6. Look at the status bar in the bottom right corner of the Excel window. The count indicator reads 5, confirming that the formula result matches the visible unique list. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To see how blanks affect the result, click cell A17 and leave it intentionally blank. Then click cell A18 and type a new sample salesperson name. Then press Enter. Go back to cell G2 and update the formula range so it includes the new rows. The formula should now count the expanded range from A2 through A18. Press Enter after updating it. The count jumps to 7 because the blank cell in A17 is counted as its own unique value. Cell G2 now reflects the updated range, and the UNIQUE function is still finding distinct entries before COUNTA counts. How many results were returned?